Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. As the cliffs and the air settles and the levels rustle with an inspiring breeze, it's time to transform your dining room into a haunted heaven fit for Halloween festives. Begin by adorning the table with a black lace tablecloth, adding an air of elegance into the setting. Illuminate the room with flickering candlelight, focus on antique candlesticks casting airy shadows across the walls, scatter spider webs across the corners, focusing an element of spoofy charm. Incorporate seasonal elements such as miniature pumpkins, gourds, and dried corn husks and centerpieces, bringing a touch of harvest allure. Hang ghostly shouterless or bats from tenderloin, creating a playful yet haunting ambience. Consider adding a dash of macabre with skeleton-themed diningware or serving toys, setting the stage of creating a playful yet haunting ambience. Consider adding a dash of macabre with skeleton-themed diningware or serving trays, setting the stage for a born child fast. Complete the look with Gothic-inspired essence like ornate carnivals and dark velvet drapes and to enhance the atmosphere. Don't forget to play haunting melodies softly in the background, setting the mood for an unforgettable Halloween story. Whether hosting a formal dinner or a casual gathering, infusing a dining room with Halloween decor promises a spectacular experience for all who dare to join. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.